Hello friends, welcome back to Soomro Academy. In today's lesson, we will learn about noun numbers, lesson number 13. In our previous lessons, we learned noun numbers from rule number 1 to 5. Today we will learn rule number 6 and rule number 7. First of all, we will revise noun numbers definitions. There are two numbers in English: singular number, plural number. First of all, we will define singular number with examples. A noun that denotes or describes one person, place, or a thing is said to be in the singular number. For example, boy, girl, cat, woman, eye, cup, egg, flag, dog, apple, book, jug. These are the examples of singular number nouns. Now we describe plural number. A noun that denotes more persons, places, or things is known as a plural number, as boys, girls, cats, women, eyes, cups, eggs, flags, dogs, apples, books, jugs. These are the examples of plural number. Now we proceed to our lesson about how to make different nouns from singular to plural. Today we will discuss about rule number 6, the O rule. The O rule defines as if a singular noun ends in O, form their plural by adding es to the singular. According to this rule, if a noun ends in O, we make its plural by adding es to noun plural. For example, this is a O rule. Tomato, its plural is tomatoes. Hero, its plural is heroes. Potato, its plural is potatoes. Negro, its plural is negros. Mango, mangoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Mosquito, its plural is mosquitoes. Echo, its plural is echoes. As it is clear from this noun, because we defined O rule is that if a noun ends with O, in this singular noun it is ended with O. Here potato O, here is O, and in mosquito there is a O is at the end of a word. So these types of nouns, singular nouns, can be made plural by adding es. Therefore, it is called the O rule. In O rule, when a noun ends with a O, we add only es to make noun plural. Now we will learn about the rule number 7, the FIEF or double OF rule. According to this rule, nouns ending in F, IEF or double OF make their plural by adding only S. Friends, according to this rule number 7, if our noun And ends in F, I, E, F or double O, F make their plural by adding only S. As singular noun is gulf, we add S to make noun plural. Dwarf, we add S and it becomes plural. Roof, roofes, roof, roof, roofs, hoof, hoofs, proof, proofs, grief, griefs, chief, chiefs, handkerchief, handkerchiefs. This is rule number 7. According to this, if a noun ends in F, I, E, F or double O, F, make their plural by adding only S, which is clear or obvious from the following table, in which define that a singular noun ends with F. Here F, gulf ends with F. In this word is end with F, roof end with F and hoof end with F, and we put only S at the end of a word and it noun becomes plural. And here double OF is there, here IEF is there, in this example IEF is there. So these types of singular noun can be made plural by adding S. This is a rule number 7. Viewers, kindly note down these rules of how to make nouns plural from singular nouns. I hope that you might have understand these two rules, the O rule and F, IEF or double O F rule. See you in next lesson. Thanks for watching.